Okay, here is how you can add a reflection to text in Canva. First of all, sadly, Canva has no direct option to add a reflection to text. So on objects, it's quite easy to add a reflection. So you have your object, copy this object, and click on the top on flip. Now drag it to the bottom of the original one and lower the transparency. So that is a super easy way to add a reflection. If you want to do the same with some text, for example, headlines reflection, you want to add a reflection to this word, you're also able to copy it. And now you see that there is right now no option to rotate, to flip it. The only option is to rotate like this, but that does not fit. The R has to be under this R. So right now we can't reflect this word, but there is a workaround. So take your word and go to the download section. Click on PNG file and select transparent background. Click here and select your page you want to download. So click download, wait for the download to be finished, and paste the downloaded word as a picture now to your project. So as you can see, you have the option to flip it immediately. So you want to drag this word to the exact size of the original one, like this. Now paste it under the original word. Oh, that was the original one. So take the picture and click flip. Now you want to flip vertically. So as you can see, the R is right under the R now. To make the reflection, click on transparency and lower the transparency to under 20. Take care that the letters are right under each other. It's a little bit harder because it's now a picture and not the original text file. So like this, and then you're able to add a background and you have a quite nice reflection. For example, this. Replace background, drag them to the water. And now you can see you have a reflection. That's not the easiest way because Canva does not have the option to just flip a word. So we have to find a workaround, and I hope that workaround helps you, and see you in the next video. Here you can find the next Canva tutorial.